sending a morning text and flowers will not make a woman obsessed with you, but this will. In this video, I'm going to show you the elite secrets that will make any woman obsessed with you instantly, bro. I'm also going to tell you what not to do, so make sure you stay to the end to see that. The first thing, bro, is you need to have value, right? If you're playing basketball, the coach wants the player that can play offense, but he can play defense too, because that's going to bring more value to the team than someone who can just shoot 3-pointers in the corner, right? So if you want a girl to be obsessed with you, you have to have value you bring to the table, right? Your own car. You have to be financially stable, because, dude, she's a girl. We know that she got options. There's dudes on her head right now, in her DM, liking her story on the daily. So you have to stand out. You have to be better in one way or another. And I'm gonna show you another way that you can stand out is later in the video. It's the 4th tip, so just keep watching for that, bro. Next thing is you need to be able to give these girls experiences, bro. Girls don't just remember your looks and your smell. They remember the whole experience, the vibe that y'all had when y'all spending time together. Take her to the arcade, go on a walk on the beach. You gotta do fun stuff. Every guy is saying, hey, let me take you out. Let me take you to this dinner. That's dead now. It's 2025. It's gonna be 2026. Be honest, bro. What is fun about you and a girl sitting across from each other eating some food? Talking about, oh, so what do you do? Looking like Goofy. I know you was about to ask her out for dinner too this week, wasn't you? Don't even cat. Put your hand out. Put your hand out. Gotta slap your hand, bro. Which leads me to the 3rd thing, bro. Never show your hand too soon. So if you was playing blackjack, bro, obviously you keep the cards facing down, because why would you show your card? You would lose, you'd get cooked. So there was this girl I was talking to, and when I first met her, bro, I was being mysterious, saying less than necessary. She was texting me first. Things was going good, but then I slipped up. I started telling her I missed her. I was hitting her up constantly. I mean, it worked at first, but then she stopped responding as quick. It was less available for the link up, but it gets worse. One day I remember hitting her up to hang out, and bro, I was left on red. Got fried, bro. And all this happened because I revealed my hand too soon. I invested way too early. Now this one right here will make her obsessed with you. Do what's never been done before. You got to think about Michael Jordan. He dunked from the free throw line. What about Drake? He was singing and rapping before anybody was doing that type of stuff. They're like, bro, what is this? We remember these people because they were iconic. They went against the norm. If you DoorDash her some flowers with a note randomly at work, bro, she's gonna be like, oh my gosh, who is this man? Because ain't nobody doing that. Yeah, guys send her texts, but you come full overwhelming strips, swoop her off her feet, right? You blindfolding her, you taking her to some random place, you got chocolates there, you got the movie playing. It's romantic, bro. This is what women fantasize about. But you guys aren't doing it for you. Think, oh, I'm going the simp route, bro. Why are you talking about flowers, bro? This is after she already showed interest in you. The way you get a girl really is by being in her mind. If you do something randomly that's drastic, you are stuck in her mind. You are stitched into her mind. You shake her world. All you have to do is freaking disrupt her world, and it's over. The next thing is you need to love yourself, bro. I know sometimes you get down on yourself because a girl didn't text you back or a girl ghosted you. But your worth shouldn't be really determined on if a girl is feeling you or not. Either way, you are that guy. Yes, bro, you're that guy. Come on, it's your chest, bro. You that guy. You're him. Loving yourself first, having that confidence creates the aura that makes women obsessed with you. It's who you see yourself as. The next thing is you need to know how to flirt with a girl to make her obsessed. So watch this video next.